Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another origami video. Today we're making the seamless cube by Jeremry Shafer. This is a pretty intermediate beginner model. It only takes around 6 minutes to make and it uses a 6x6 sheet of origami paper. If I had 3 cubes, which I actually do, I would juggle this for you. But I don't know how to juggle, so we're not doing that. We're gonna go straight to the tutorial. Okay, now to make the seamless cube. First, you have to get a piece of origami paper. I'm using a 6x6 inch sheet of paper. Both sides are colored. And I'm doing this so that you can track which side I'm flipped over to. First, we're going to start by making a 4x4 grid. So first fold in half, crease very sharply. Now you're going to unfold. I'm going to turn over and do the same thing, fold in half and crease very sharply. The more accurate your folds, the better the model will come out in the end. Now, unfold. Now we have a cross right here. We're going to fold this edge to the middle. Now turn over and do the same thing. Now that we did that, unfold, turn, and we're going to do the same thing, this edge to this crease. Make sure to crease sharply. Now unfold. Now we're going to flip over and do a few folds. First, we're going to have this corner go to this intersection up here. We're not going to fold all the way. We're just going to fold from here to here. And then unfold. Turn. Same thing. This edge up there. And crease sharply to just this segment right here. Unfold. Turn. Same thing. This corner to the intersection. Fold only this section. And one more time. And unfold. Now we're going to fold in half. Make sure that it's precise. But we're only going to crease on the edges of both sides. So this segment right here, from the tip to the intersection of creases right here. This one right here. And over here, the same thing, from the tip to the intersection right there. Now unfold, turn. I'm going to do the same thing. Make sure to line it up precisely and crease from the corner to the intersection of creases. Over here, same on this side. Fold right there and to the intersection. Now we're going to unfold and turn over. Now we're going to pinch this crease. I'm going to have my hand under here. We're going to pinch it along until we get to the middle, the intersection of creases. So you see we have that fold right there. And on these two folds, we're going to move it like this. So now that we flattened it, it has kind of like this box shape. Now we're starting to make the actual box or cube. We're going to fold this triangular flap up and then move this flap on this crease right here. Fold it up and we're going to flatten this side out on this crease. Now that we have this box shape, look in here. And you're going to see this little triangular flap. We're going to wrap this part of the paper around it. So this part, there's a wrap it around and then flatten it on this crease. Now you'll see these two creases right here, this mountain fold and this valley fold. They want to flatten. So flatten them down, but not all the way on this crease. And then get this flap, keep the two layers together, and put them into that pocket. Make sure to fold precisely on those creases to get more of a seamless look. Now we have these flaps. What we're going to do is first, we're going to flatten this flap and this flap. So on this flap, we're going to flatten on a crease right here, right there. And we're going to flatten. So here's the flap that we just folded. And now this one, we're going to do the same thing. Flatten down. Now I zoomed it in so that we could see better. But we're going to get this, fold it in. And you'll see that there is a crease right here. It's kind of faint. So we're going to push that crease in. And on this crease, we're going to flatten it down. So now you'll see that this flap can easily go right in here. Now we're almost done with our box. We have one more flap left. I'm going to put this flap onto the bottom, but into that first flap right there. Put it in. Now we have the box, or the seamless cube. Now you can sharpen the creases. And we're done. Thank you for watching this video, everyone. I hope you enjoyed making the origami seamless cube. Once again, thank you for watching. I hope I'm able to make more videos. Please put in the comments what you think I should make next. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you later.